if I spin this insane fidget spinner on this Chucky doll's hand for 5 seconds, you guys have to smash the like button. Deal guys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! Now you guys have to smash the like button.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey let's go, welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on today's video we have an insane video guys. Yo, this video is gonna be like so insane guys. So guys, on today's video I'm gonna be watching the Chucky movie at 3 AM and see what happens guys. Yo, alright, yo, I really don't know what to say guys. This is gonna be like so insane. For those who don't know who's Chucky, I'll put the picture right over there guys. Look at this. So Chucky is this creepy doll, alright guys. He's like the creepiest doll ever, and he has like few movies out right now guys. Like Chucky doll has movies out. It's so insane guys. And I decided that wait, what will happen if I watch one of those movies that Chucky's in it at 3 AM and see what happens guys, alright? Chucky movie at 3 AM. It's funny, I really don't know what to say guys. I really know it's gonna be like so insane. Those who don't know what happens at 3 AM, 3 AM is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth guys, and it's their time to do anything they want. And we are just gonna watch Chucky doll's movie on that time and see what happens guys, alright? I'm just gonna play the Chucky doll movie on my TV and watch it at 3 AM and see what happens guys, alright? It's gonna be like so insane. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both of my social medias guys. It is right on screen, so follow me on there for a chance to get shout out every video guys. Like this. Boom, here's an Instagram shout out. Boom, here's a Snapchat shout out. Again guys, follow me on there for a chance to get shout out every video guys. And go down there right now, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad guys. And guys, I need you guys to tell me on the comment section right now, are you guys fan of Chucky or Tiffany? Alright guys, Tiffany is Chucky's wife. Tell me on the comment section if you guys like Tiffany or Chucky. Just let me know on the comment section. So in today's video, we are going to be watching the Chucky movie together at 3 AM. But before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Disco time.
Alright guys, so now let's stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time guys, it is 3:07 AM right now. So now let's go and turn on the TV and play the Chucky movie and let's see what happens guys, alright? By the way guys, I'm gonna be watching it with him, alright guys? Like he's gonna be beside me when I watch the movie. It's gonna be like so much more creepier if he sits with me and watch it together, alright guys? It's gonna be insane. Let's go and watch the Chucky movie. Let's go. Alright guys, I just turned on the TV and I'm in the living room, alright guys, and I just got Chucky doll right over here, alright guys. I'm just gonna sit right over here and I'm gonna play the Chucky movie on that TV. Yo, it's gonna be insane guys, look at the TV. That's the TV, I'm gonna be watching the Chucky movie guys. And here's Chucky, so I just got the Chucky doll right over here and I'm gonna place him on my lap like this. We are gonna watch the Chucky movie together, alright guys. I'm just gonna play the movie. Come on. Yo guys, look at this guys, it is the Chucky movie. Yo, let it focus.
Especially the look on my victim's face. When they
Look guys, it's
realize
insane.
at the final moment that it's all really happening.
Yo, look at it, it's actually Chucky, it's him.
People love looking at vacation slides.
Yeah, Dad. It'll be fun.
Chucky! Oh, these are totally out of order. Wasn't San Francisco beautiful?
Yo, what's going on?
Really...
Yo guys, the lights went off. Yo guys, I can't see anything. Yo, it's back on. Guys, creepy stuff is already happening guys. Look at Chucky. Yo, come on. Let's play the movie. Oh my god.
Fit in there.
What's going on? Oh my god. Yo guys, look, it's Chucky. Yo guys, he's talking to the screen. Yo, look guys. This isn't the part of the movie. Yo, this is insane guys. This isn't even the part of the movie. Look at him guys. Yo, I can't hear anything. Wait. It just glitched out. Oh my god guys, what's going on? Look guys, the screen just glitched out and it's actually Chucky. Look at him, it's so insane guys. I can't see anything right now, all the lights are gone. Yo, it's so insane. Yo, the lights are back on. Yo guys, look. It's glitched on Chucky right now. It's so insane guys. Yo, I really don't know what to say. Look at Chucky guys. Like, my Chucky is right over here guys. My Chucky is sitting right over here. But look at this guys. The screen is just glitched out and it's Chucky's face. Yo, it's so insane guys. While I was watching the movie, the screen just glitched out guys. And then Chucky just stopped like this. Look guys, and then Chucky just stopped like this. It is so insane guys, I really don't know what to say. The movie is like so creepy that everything went wrong guys. And my lights turned off. Yo, look guys. Oh my god, it is actually Chucky doll. He's right over here guys. Oh my god, what happened? The TV just turned off. Oh my god. Yo guys, I can't see anything right now. The lights went off too. Yo, I really can't see anything guys. Yo, look at my laptop guys. It's just glitched out. Look at this guys. My laptop is glitched out. Oh my god. Look at this guys. My laptop just glitched out. And Chucky picture is just over here guys. It doesn't go off guys. Yo, I really don't know what to do right now. And I can't see anything. Wait. Where is Chucky? Yo, let me turn on my flashlight. Yo, come on. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, where is Chucky? Yo, there is no way. Wait. Guys, how did Chucky get here? I swear he was just right over here, guys. Chucky was sitting right here. And now he's there. Yo, it is so insane, guys. Oh my god, come on, Chucky. Yo, guys, my phone is glitching out too. My flashlight doesn't work anymore. Yo, it's back. Wait, where is Chucky? Oh my god, there is no way. Guys, look, he was just over there. And now he's here. Wait, and he changed positions, guys. Look, his hands are up now. Look guys, his hands are actually up. Yo, there's like no way, guys. Look at him. It is actually Chucky. I was just watching the movie right now, guys. And look, my laptop is still glitched out from the movie. Look at it, just stuck on Chucky's picture and it doesn't go off. Yo, this is like so insane, guys. Yo, come on, not again. Yo, guys, I cannot use my phone. Come on, turn on, come on. Yo, guys, come on. Yes. Wait, come on. Where are you, Chucky? Chucky, where are you? Yo, guys, this is like so insane, guys. I really don't know what to say. Yo, I really don't know what to do, guys. Like, where can he be? He's not here anymore. Look, guys, like I'm searching for him everywhere. But I cannot see him, guys. Look. Yo, there's like no way, guys. He's not here. Yo, I really don't know what to do, guys. My screen just glitched out and I cannot do anything about it. Look, guys, like there is no one. Oh my god. There is no way. Yo, guys, look. Chuck is up there. Look how high it is, guys. Look at the height. Chucky was just over here, guys. He was right here. And now he's there. Yo, this is so insane, guys. Yo, and our lights doesn't work anymore, guys. Chucky, calm down. Yo, wait. My phone is glitching out again. Yo, come on, guys. I'm trying to fix my phone right now. Wait, what? Where did he go again? Yo, I see him. He's right there, guys. What are you doing, Chucky? Chucky, what are you doing? Hello, Chucky. Yo, come on, stop this. It doesn't work. What's going on? Yo, my phone is glitched. Wait. Oh my god, Chucky again.
Especially the look on my victim's face.
He's watching his movie.
In that final moment that
Chucky, you're watching your own movie? Yo, there's like no way, guys. Look. Chucky is just watching his own movie.
Don't say that, Chucky. People know looking at
Yo, it's so insane, guys. Look.
it'll be fun.
Chucky. Wait, these are totally out of order.
I really don't know what to say, guys. He's watching his own movie.
Beautiful.
Chucky is so
They
insane.
really seem to fit in there.
Yo. Oh my god. Wait, come on. What's going on again? Look, guys. The screen just glitched out again. Look at this, guys. Chucky, you're watching your own movie? Yo, guys. Come on. Let's just go to the room. This is getting like so insane. Even my camera is glitching out. Look at this, guys. My camera is just glitching out. Look, what are those marks? Yo, come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go to the room. Yo, this is insane, guys. Come on. Let's just go to the room. Like, all the lights are gone. Come on. Yo, this is insane. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. This is like so insane. I really can't believe it that Chucky actually moved, guys, and he was watching the video. Like, I wasn't, guys. He was watching his own movie. It's so insane, guys. Alright, and I'm gonna end the video right over here, guys. Alright, so make sure to get a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, guys. And I see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Coming like a Hellcat.